right, so it is 7:35, just landed here in London. About to head to get our luggage and head to the hotel. Traveling with the kids is
Dada boy.
1:30 in the morning in the US, and they have a lot of energy. Appreciate it.
I see you in the world.
We're about to head to the hotel. I have my talk tomorrow, and we get some rest now. I'm tired, exhausted. We're here. All right, guys, so we are about to head to the event where I'll be giving a talk today to a group of orthopedic surgeons about my path in medicine and just some advice for the upcoming orthopedic surgeons. I experienced an extreme case of jet lag over the last day or so just being here, but I'm awake and we're about to get the day started. So you guys gonna check out what we're doing today. Just jumped in an Uber. It was hard to get an Uber here for some reason. So we're about to head to the venue. We're actually running a couple minutes late. And I am running on E in terms of energy. This whole jet lag thing is completely wiping me out. Just up all last night, kind of tossing and turning. And my young boys, they were struggling last night. But we're gonna make the best of it. We're gonna give a great talk today and inspire the residents, orthopedic surgeons here in England. So. All right, just got here to the location where I'll be giving my presentation and looking forward to it. Beautiful London, England, let's get it.
Dr Webb.
How you doing, man? Good. Looking sharp. Dr Webb.
Akshay, nice to meet you.
Antonio Webb, nice to meet you. Hello,
Rashad.
nice to meet you.
Yeah.
I'm Shrika, I'm a fourth year medical student at Imperial, and today we're here at the South East London Training Rotations Orthopedic Day, and I'm very excited to hear Dr. Antonio Webb speak about his journey into spine surgery today.
Hi, my name's Abith. I'm a third year medical student at Imperial College as well. Super excited to see him speak about his practice, about his journey. Just really happy to be here.
Hi, my name is Chuck Lamb. I'm a fifth year medical student from the University of Birmingham. Been watching Dr. Webb for years now, since before med school. It's uncanny to see him in person. He's been a real inspiration to all these medical students, and I can't wait to watch him speak later on.
It's my joy and honour, privilege to welcome our next speaker, Dr. Antonio Webb.
Thank you guys for having me here. It's certainly a pleasure and an honor to travel. It's my first time in London. As Kim kind of mentioned, I'm an orthopedic spine surgeon. I have a practice in San Antonio, Texas. I have an interest in minimally invasive spine surgery as well as robotics and artificial disc replacement. But so I would say my closing message, every loss that I have encountered, and that's growing up in Louisiana, just having family members go to prison or friends that have passed away, and then getting into medical school after several attempts and then struggling in kind of this whole journey just with the complications and starting out in practice, all of those things really have prepared me to be a better surgeon and a better person. And they prepared me for a bigger win. Adversity really has built my character, my confidence, and also my calling. So really your greatest challenge, I know a lot of people have come up to me and say, hey, I want to be a scoliosis surgeon, or I want to be a spine surgeon, or some type of entrepreneur. But really your greatest challenges, things that you're struggling with now, these are going to be the things that might just be your biggest blessing. And that's kind of my biggest takeaway that I want everyone to grab away from this message. But really keep going. Someone really needs to hear your message. And I love that people come up to me all the time and say, hey, Dr. Webb, I saw you during medical school or along my journey, and you've inspired me to go into medicine or go down this path. And that's what really keeps me going, and that's the reason why I do what I do, is because of people like you. So thank you for having me. All right, guys, just got done here in London giving my talk at the South East London academic meeting. And the rest of the day, we're just going to be hanging out, going to dinner tonight, as well as exploring some of London. But thank you guys for watching and tuning along over the last day or so, and we'll see you at the next one.